If you've been wanting to generate images from a text prompt, there are a fair bit of AI-based text-to-image generators on the market, but almost none of them is as good as Midjourney. However, it comes for a price. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can use Midjourney for free.
Using Midjourney for free is actually simpler than it sounds, but it is subject to a few conditions. So once you've joined Midjourney, you've joined the beta and you have access to the Discord channel, you will see something like these newbie channels, these newbie rooms, and there are going to be a lot of groups for these. So all you have to do is simply head over to any of these newbie rooms and type in the imagine command. So we can click imagine, type imagine, or no, wait, it picked up the blend command instead. So imagine, and then you'll have to enter a prompt. So let's say the prompt can be race car driver trying to overtake his rival, and then you can specify things like aspect ratios and get all of the parameters in there. But for free, you'll only get 3 chances to do this, and your images will of course have limited freedom to edit them, and then you'll not be able to use Midjourney to its full extent, but 3 prompts is what you get. Also, depending on the server traffic, you may or may not be able to get your free prompts, and Midjourney will just tell you to get a subscription. So it really depends on when you're joining Midjourney and whether or not the free trial is available. But if you want to use Midjourney for free, this is the only official way, so to speak. So we press enter, the command gets sent to the bot, and you can see its progress starting right here. So you'll just have to give it a second. It will start, and then you'll also get sort of a percentage of how fast the process is going. So since we already have a Midjourney subscription, it's showing fast for us. For you, it might show slow because you're a free user. But as you can see, 31% already done, and this 62% almost there. And since this is a newbie channel, people will keep on adding their own images. Keep in mind, all of these generated images are public. So as you can see, my final images have been generated, and now I can choose which one I want to use. So let's say I want to use U1. I click on it, it'll upscale that particular image, and then I can download it and I can do whatever I want with it. Once again, you may not have access to these options depending on how busy the server is and how busy Midjourney's servers itself are, but that's how you use Midjourney for free.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.